So, Vibrant Life Cactus Scratching Post. $30, Walmart. What I got you, Mika. So I got this cactus scratching post at Walmart for about $30. And you have to actually construct it. Comes with these bolts because she's starting to tear up the top stair going down to our basement. So we're going to see if this helps. Probably put a little catnip on it. And so let's go ahead and build it. So she just discovered it. What do you think, Mika? Ooh, oh no. I think it's a winner. Oh, and it's got a ball. I think it's definitely a winner. Thumbs up on this. I didn't even have to put any catnip on it.
I'm gonna attack it.
And she's already stuck on it. She gets stuck on everything. She doesn't know how to retract. She's like, Dad, I love it without the catnip. What do you think, Mika? Is this a paws up? Ooh, now she stopped scratching because you put catnip on it. So now she'd rather, like, you know.
Get high, then she'll play.
She'd rather get high than play. Oh, there she goes.
She gets high to play.
Should probably move it away from the stairs. I can just see her rolling down the stairs.
Took a bungee cord and attached it to the post there.
She's like, this is the most awesome thing you've ever bought me. $30. I thought it was a good deal. What do you think? Spock says, it's a cat thing. I don't care about cats. I hate cats. Well, this definitely was a paws up. She's just going to play with this thing all day long. I just know it. She's rubbing up all against it. Emergency cleaning. Oh, don't let that dog get it. Don't let that dog get it. Silly girl.